Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something that doesn't get nearly enough attention: your kidneys. These small but mighty organs work non-stop to filter toxins, balance minerals, and keep your blood clean. But here's the kicker. Most folks don't realize their daily drink choices can either heal or harm them. So, let's break down the 5 absolute best drinks to keep your kidneys in peak shape. First up, lemon water. Yeah, it's basic, but it's powerful. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which helps stop kidney stones from forming by dissolving calcium buildup before it becomes a problem. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water first thing in the morning. It hydrates you, boosts digestion, and gives your kidneys a clean start every day. Number 2, cranberry juice. Not that sugar-loaded stuff you grab at the store. I mean pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. It's a natural bacteria blocker that keeps your urinary tract clear and reduces your risk of infections. Studies show it helps the kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently while protecting their delicate lining from inflammation. Third, green tea. This one's loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce oxidative stress inside your kidneys. Less stress means less inflammation and better blood filtration. Skip the bottled versions. Brew it fresh and go easy on the sweeteners. It's an easy swap that can do serious good for your kidneys and heart. Fourth, beet juice. I know, the color's wild, but don't let that stop you. Beets are full of nitrates that improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your kidneys. Plus, they support your liver too, making this a double detox combo your whole body will love. Drink it a few times a week and thank me later. Finally, barley water. This ancient drink might sound old school, but it's legit. Barley water cools your system, reduces swelling, and acts as a gentle diuretic, helping your kidneys flush waste without strain. 1 glass a day can help prevent kidney stones and ease water retention. So here's the bottom line. Your kidneys are your body's silent heroes. Treat them right, keep them hydrated, and ditch the soda and energy drinks that wreck them slowly. Sip smart, live longer, and feel better from the inside out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.